Assalamu alaikum. I am Mintu Kumar Das, Company Secretary of Olympic Industries Limited. It's my pleasure to share our experience working with Comjagot Technologies for the past 2 years. Comjagot Technologies has supported us in organizing our virtual AGM, and I must say their expertise and dedication have exceeded our expectation. Their platform is incredibly user-friendly. The technical team was always proactive, ensuring that every aspect, from setup to execution, their real-time supporting during the event was simply outstanding. We are incredibly grateful for their partnership and look forward to continue our collaboration in the years to come. If you are looking for a reliable and innovative virtual AGM solution provider, Comjagot Technology is the team to trust. Thank you.